Hey guys, today I want to talk about the JavaScript, and today um, is a new chapter in the JavaScript. So, how to write something to the web, for example, to the output. So here is this two file when they open in the Sublime. Just drag and drop here. So it is an external file, and this is HTML code. So when open, when click, the text is changing. For example, I want to write something to the output. When click to this button, so here, so it is an example, but if I change this, for example, this to 9, and I run the text, so this is an example how to write to the output. And when write this document dot write, for example this line, so everything is clear, and now is, so this is an example how to write the output. Example 3, for example, it will be a window dot alert, and this, if I click, and output is here. If I change this to this, then so this is the same. And when we write this console, I want to write to the console, so need to write this console dot log, and this I want to write here. So it is nothing. So need to open the console. So right click here, inspect, and here is the console. And when run, and when click, the output is here. So it will be a different example how to write something to the output. So thank you for watching. See you next time.